shitty road.
But
The place is awesome.
the place is
The
awesome.
place is really awesome. Really worth watching.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, good morning, and these are my friends Auntie Reshma, Soumya, Kamlesh, Shivani, Auntie. We are going to a place we don't know, and it's a fresh morning. It's almost like 8:30, and let's ride and
We
enjoy.
can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home.
So guys, there is a bit of confusion. We are not sure where should we head to. There are two options. There is Devkund and Kuldia. Sorry, Devkund and Kuldia. And I think we will be choosing Devkund over Kuldia, because Kuldia is just a wildlife sanctuary. There is nothing, I guess it would be like a Satkosia thing, Satkosia Angul thing. So we will be heading to Devkund.
Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you.
So guys, here we are at Soro, like 35 kilometers from Bhadrak, and we are having some beautiful breakfast. Upma, idli,
And here we go.
I am having some extra thing because I love to eat, and both of them are busy with their phone. And this person,
Upma and dalma.
and this person is like too much in hurry, can't wait.
My name is not Hari, my name is Syamu.
Ajitu Namakaran hela. His name is not Hari, his name is Shyamo. Call him Shyamo. So guys, we are done with the breakfast, and finally we have decided that we are moving to where we are moving. Devkund. So stay tuned. Let's ride. This is the Nilagiri temple, and we have entered Nilagiri. Right now it's 11:20 p.m. and you can see this is the Nilagiri temple, and with this to the adjacent we have the Nilagiri fort. It's a beautiful fort.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
So guys, after crossing Nilagiri and towards Udala road, Udala from the Taratari, the word Taratari, and we have to take a right turn towards Udala. So after taking the right turn, you will see such a kind of a village. You will cross this village, and Udala is almost I guess 23 kilometers from here. So from Udala, after reaching Udala, we will be taking another route towards Devkund. So Devkund is like 8 kilometers from Udala. I think we'll take almost 30 to 40 minutes reaching Devkund as per the road conditions. So let's ride. So guys, you can see this beautiful road over here, and up front these beautiful mountains. Wow. Mountains, the views, and this field, just wow. Cheers to nature, cheers to the farmers, and cheers to everything. Yeah, this is the Simlipal Tiger Reserve, and this is the entry checkpoint over here, and these are the officers waiting and giving us the permission, and let's go. We need a Himalayan over here to cruise at a speed of 60. Oh my god, it will be a dream. Next time we'll be coming in Himalayan. This is what I call air pollution. Dust. My god, you can see this convoy. Bolero, 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 bolero. It's a convoy of boleros.